How to create Opera VPN bypass rules to access the content you need. If you find a certain website don't functions properly with the Opera VPN enable, you might need to create bypass rule. Once upon a time, VPN was a means for remote workers to access local machines and folders on a company network. Although that technology is still in play for a lot of companies, the VPN has taken on very different from these days. Instead of being a way of accessing company, said the VPN is now Instead of being a way of accessing company, said the VPN is now a method of browsing with a level of privacy you cannot get otherwise. What a VPN does is mask your identity and encrypted your internet traffic. Essentially, VPN makes it for more difficult for bad actors to access the data you transmit or discover where that traffic is coming from. Enable VPN and your browser will appear to come from a different region or country. This works by hiding your IP addresses and then redirecting everything through a configured remote host, effectively making the remote server the source of your traffic. Another benefit is that some VPNs can make regionally specific web content available to you. For example, there might be something in one country that is not available to the region where you live. Enable the VPN and select the proper country and you should have access to that content. Opera VPN does not have this feature. The one caveat to using a VPN is that you will probably notice that websites tend to load more slowly, and that is usually worthwhile trade-off, especially if privacy and security are your biggest concern, which they should be. The Opera web browser included its own no-log VPN built right into the browser. There is no need to download or install any additional applications or service and no need to subscribe to a paid plan. The Opera VPN is free and just work out of the box. So anyone looking to up their security gains within their web browsers would do well to make use of the feature. The problem some people run into when using a VPN with a web browser is that some sites refuse to work properly. When that happens, what do you do? If you are using the Opera browser, you can easily create bypass rules so those sites always work as expected. Requirements: the only things you will need is an update versions of the Opera web browser. I will demonstrate with the versions running on Pop OS Linux, but the operating system you use does not matter. You can use the Opera VPN on the desktop or mobile version of the browser. Enabling the Opera VPN: enable the VPN. In case you have not enabled the Opera VPN, here's the short version. Open Opera and click the zero button in the top of the left corner. From that pop-up window, click setting and navigate to the features section where you will see the VPN enable.